Well guys, I'm just gonna show you today how to place the serpentine bell. So guys, I'll prefer removing it from the bottom. Other people prefer from the top. So from the bottom guys, we have to take out these two 10mm balls. Is either side, and then there's a clip. It's just right here in the corner. You just take it out, and these guys will give you access to the serpentine belt area or the front of the engine. Alright guys, when you take it out, just pay attention to how the serpentine belt is rerouted, and then guys, you can proceed to replace it. So guys, to replace this serpentine belt, we have this tension right here. You'll use a 16mm. I normally prefer using a flat because it gives me enough access. It's a 15mm. So you turn it clockwise. Then once it sucks out guys, you can just pick it out and then take it out from there. So guys, it just comes easily like that. To put back guys, you just do the same thing in reverse, and then I should be able to just be replaced that quick and easy. Other people guys might prefer doing from the top, but normally to reach the lower one on the right, on the left is a bit tricky. So when you do it from the bottom guys, it's much easier. Alright guys, I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.